Do you know that YouTube, Facebook, and Google are banned in China? Is it true that China has no free speech and the government control what we can see and say? If you are planning a trip to China and worry about how to use your cell phone, don't worry. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 things you can do before you visit China, which will guarantee you have a super pleasant trip in China and use your cell phone just like at home. Number 1 is get a SIM card. Get a physical SIM card with a Chinese local phone number is very critical in my opinion. And to get that is super easy. You just need to search China SIM card on Amazon, and as you can see, there are tons of options. With a working Chinese phone number, the benefit is the second you land in China, you can start using internet. Plus, there's a lot of apps registration need you to have a Chinese phone number to receive the verification code. So with Chinese phone number available, you really can use all the apps that is needed. Plus, you can call the taxi driver, hotel staff, or Chinese friends if needed. And on top of that, when you finish your trip in China, you can just throw away this SIM card. If your US phone number is an eSIM card, you actually can turn both line on so you can have a working Chinese phone number and a US phone number in China at the same time. I do want to mention that in order to use a physical Chinese phone number, you need to have unlocked the cell phone. Also, you need to order the SIM card a few days before your trip for the shipping time. The second thing is get a VPN. I'm not sure if everybody knows, but China banned most social media platform in US. I once had a friend who is visiting China and all the communication we had is through Instagram. But the second she landed in China, she could not open her Instagram app. We basically completely lost the contact with each other. At this new era, we lost the contact with people the second we lost the login with our social media. To avoid this, I strongly suggest to get a VPN downloaded and activated before you visit China. You can just Google. There are tons of VPN options out there, and the most common 3 ones I have listed on the screen with their price. The third thing is data, as much as possible. A lot of my American friends prefer to buy international plan through their current phone service like T-Mobile and AT&T. I have used that before too. The problem is they're super expensive and a lot of times they're not stable. There was one time that when I was paying a taxi driver in China, after I scanned the barcode, it's just keep loading for like 1 minute. And the taxi driver basically just stared at me. And I was stressed because I don't have any cash on my hand. The only way I make a payment is through mobile payment. If you purchase the SIM card on Amazon, you should have enough data. But if the data is not enough for you, don't worry because you can buy eSIM card online and the data is super cheap. I have listed 2 most common eSIM card I usually purchase from and their price. Now you have a working cell phone in China, you can use it just like at home. If you have more tips about how to use your cell phone in China or any other question about traveling to China, please leave the comments below. I would love to help.